Painting. Painting. You're painting. Painter.
Paint the room. Paint the room.
Yeah, you can paint the room. The painter.
I can do it.
What is the color you're holding them? What is the color that one? Then what color you holding? What is the color that one?
Painting.
What color you holding?
Painting.
Yeah, it's a painting. This one, what's the color?
Painting. I can be a paint sister. I can be a painting sister. I can be a paint sister.
Mm-hmm.
I can be a paint Rainbow. Tell me, baby, what color is this? Tell me, baby, what color is this? That's red. Tell me, baby, what color is this?
Later, clean it. Clean your hands later. What you looking?
Oh no, my hands are dirty. You're painting.
Yeah, because of the black.
Your paint.
Yeah, wash your
Paint.
wash your hands.
If you paint. Pajamas. Let's wear pajamas. Let's wear pajamas.
Ito ang gawain niya kapag before siya matulog. Siya magano. Ayan o, dami na siyang collection. So, lahat yan ay collection gawa niya. Look at, may I love you pa yan. Enjoyment ni Heaven dito sa bahay. Kaya lang mag-iisa. So, nag-pretend, nagluluto, nag-cooking. Ayan siya. Yung play doon niya. Play. Magawa din siya. Ayan. Galing niya yan. Magawa ng mga play yan lahat. Gawa niya. Para sa ref niya. Ayan. Dami pa yan. Marami siyang border na yan. Siya gumawa niyan. So siya, job ni Helen dito. Marami siyang color, watercolors sa at editing colors marami siya. Yung mama niya nag-provide, binilis talaga yan sa Qatar. Ayan, dami, ayan, naman. Gawa na naman, kaya ito. What is that for them? Nagka-crop naman niya yan. Didikit. Ganun siya. Ang galing nito ng batang ito. Super galing. Talented. Ayan, ikakat niya yan. Tignan niyo yung maghawak ng scissors. Ayan, hindi mo talaga makorek na. Diyan siya komportable. Diyan siya komportable maghawak. Pero tingnan niyo. Tingnan niyo maghawak. For what that then? Saan yan even? For what? Why you throw? You're wasting the bond paper, Why you throw that?
Yes!
Why?
Good job!
Good job. You threw in the trash. Good job. Good job, Ben. Kahit ganyan siya maghawak. Ayan, tingnan niyo po. Ganyan siya maghawak, pero doon siya komportable, Simple sa kanya, Ayan, si Bembe, maghawak ng scissor. Gunting na, ayan, binutasan, easy sa kanya, yan, Nabutasan niya, Dali lang sa kanya. Ayan, nabutasan na. Yung mata. Parang nalagay niya yan sa face ng sa mata niya. See? What eyes that one is like para man yung ghost dun. Eyes. Parang ghost dun. Ano ba yan dun? Nag-glue niya, Stick niya, sa glue. Stick niya ng glue. Ayan. Glue niya. Kakrap niya yan. Ganon siya magawa. Ganon. Ayan. Yan pala. Okay. Okay.
Truck.
Oh my God. Wow. That's not good, eh? Monster? Not good. Yan. Tinuloy ni Heaven ang Heaven glow. Yan, color naman. Bilis lang mag-color siya. Ayan. Ang girl namin, si Heaven. Ang galing ni Celestia. Ang galing mo ni Celestia, oy. Parang totoo na painting. Be, ang galing mo, be mo. True talaga, oh. Ayan, ang galing ni Eden. Very good, Ben. Very good. Wala nang pencil, Ben, no? Wala nang ano? Marker agad. What about your star? What about your... What is the color with that, Ben? Oh, meron pa siyang paa. Shoes. Red shoes. Okay, red shoes. Okay.
Flower.
Okay.
Sweet coffee.
What color you want for? Wow. Alam niya anong kukunin niya. What? Oh my God. Ayan, oh. Marker. Alam niya, oh, marker. Ayan, be. Wow, be. Ayaw, be. Wow, nice pink, be. Wow, marker, be. Tapos, ang dami niyang marker, oh. Supported talaga ito. Oh, yan. Wow, ayan. May green pa siya, oh. Wow. Ganda niyo. Original po. Nagdidikit. Oh my gosh. Yan ang my girl. Subscribe kayo sa girl ko ha. Celestia. Ayan, support mo sa kay Celestia. Heaven. Si Heaven. Si Heaven. Ayan. Ayan ang mga ano niya. Collection. Wow. Ayan. Tapos na daw. Yan. Ayan. Ayan. Look at my Celestia again. Wow, drawing again. Wow, look at the girl holding a medicine. She's gonna color today. Medicine. What is spelling of medicine? M C M E. Don't eat the medicine. Don't eat the welcome. Meron pang welcome T.O. yung house. Look at my welcome. Wow. Welcome to the house. Who's that girl? Put me. Girl daw. Medicine. Do not eat. This is a medicine. Do not eat the medicine. Don't eat the spelling medicine. Bila maka-verse mo. Look at the girl. Naka-scooter tip. Cloud. Oh, cloud. Cloud. No sun. Wow. Ears. Nose. Never use a pencil. Automatic marker. Galing no? Galing na po po. Sabi niya, hindi daw mag-do. Eat the medicine. Don't drink the medicine. Don't drink the medicine. Wow, may dress pa siya. Play pa, ball. Play daw. play daw. Play, play, play. Play, play, play the house. Play, 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 play. Oh, nilagyan ng play, 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 play. Yan ang girl namin, oh. Galing, oh. Smart girl, oh. Mahilig mag-drawing. Ganyan siya. Bago matulog. Bago matulog, mag-drawing. Yan ang ano niya, skill. Bago matulog. Enjoy mo na sa drawing. Get Celestia. Very good. Nice, nice, nice. Good job. Good job, Celestia. Sige na. Sing up one Barbie girl. I'm a Barbie girl. Sige. Gummy, gummy bear. I am a gummy. Mag-color na yan. She made a color? Color ka na, babe? Wow. Green pa ang yang blue, sorry. That's blue. Blue. Para sa akin, green. Blue, green. Blue, green man na siya, babe. Yeah, nice kay you here, si Kwan. Who's that girl, babe? Si Powerpuff Girl na, babe? Or is this a girl? What's her name? What's that name, babe? Si Diana? Is that Diana? Is that Diana? Is that, babe? Diana na girl? Si Diana girl? Huh? Huh? Sana? Sana ba yan si Diana? Kabalugin siya sa niya. Wala lagi siya pencil. Kita mag-pencil. Kita siya kabalo mo kung mag-drawing pero mag-trace pa yun ko. Asa man the rest color ni mo di ay? Why you don't look more colors there? Red pa ang ano niya, hair na, be? Sa taas, ano, parang hikaw. Pero hair. Ano pa niya? Hindi na siya bean. Korean bean. Korean lagi niya. Colorful kayang hair. Korean siguro si Powerpuff Girl. Limo? Ha? Si Lemo. So, tingnan nyo. Inayos niyan, hindi magano. Hindi magkampat yung ano niya. Drawing niya. Easy lang kay Bembem mo. Look at Daddy. Look at Bembem, Daddy. Look at. We are sorry, this girl. We cannot bring to. Sayang, hindi namin siya madala. Meron ng ticket niya, but hindi talaga kaya. Ang hirap-hirap na ngayon magdala ng bata. Ha? Bukas na may maglakaw. Bukas. 21. Di pa. 21. Next. 20 pa maday tawag ba? Why you don't finish, be? Tomorrow again? Tomorrow again? Tomorrow again? Well, you have a lot of colors there. You have a bunch of colors there. Nag-heart-heart pa si girl. Oh, naka-uniform. Si Bembem monta, i-draw ni Bembem yung kuhan. She was wearing a uniform. She go to school. You draw your kuhan, Bem. Yourself. Magbahay. Oh, nilagay na niyang eyes. Oh. Parang true talaga, oh. Painter talaga ka, Bem.
Big
Artist.
big eyes.
Big eyes. Correct. Big eyes. Like Celestia, big eyes. Big eyes ka, Be? No.
Yes.
Yes. Big eyes daw siya, Mama. Yes, I'm a big eyes. Yes. Big yung mga eyes, Bim? Is your eyes is big?
Pizza.
Yes daw, yes.
Frozen.
Careful, Gicho. Yan mo, mag-careful talaga siya. Packet yan, Bem? Packet sa boy? Is that the boy?
Label.
Oh, it's like a pocket. Play, play, play. Play, play, play.
Play ear.
What's color for the medicine you put? Pink? White? Or green?
Doctor, well, you check my
Wow. Orange brown. It's like a brown's orange. Tignan mo yung nose niya, oh. Ang galing ni Bembem, oh. Tignan mong nose at saka mouth.
Tattoo.
Tattoo. Tap two. Tap two. Tap two. Tap two. Tap two. Tap two.
Tattoo.
Tap two.
Tap toe.
Tap.
Stomp your feet.
Stomp your feet. Very
Run.
good.
Stomp your feet.
Clap your hands.
Clap your hands.
Nod
your head.
Nod.
Run the spot.
Wow, very good. You heard that, Mama?
Run the spot. Run the spot.
Okay.
Spot. Run the spot.
Whoa, very good.
Run the spot.
Oh, ganda ang fence niya. Oh. Very nice imong fence, Bem. With the grass, Bem. Nice kay ka, Bem. Oy. May good ka, Bem ba? Wow, hands. Hands of the boy. Tignan nyo. Simple lang. Yung hands. Pero itsura yan, ah. Tignan nyo. Oh, parang totoo.
Board. Blouse.
Mm-hmm.
Board.
Legs niya, Bem.
Waiting time.
Mm-hmm.
Waiting time.
Nakaboot siya, Bem.
Waiting time. Socks.
Ah, socks. Lili siya stay, Bem ba? Socks lang.
Socks.
She's wearing a sock. I thought she wearing a boot.
Socks.
Mm-hmm.
I already know. I'm like a little.
And wow, you erase? Wow, in-erase na niya yung ano niya, drawing. Wala na. Naglinis na siya sa room niya. Oh my gosh. Oh. Wala na. Nag-draw na naman siya sa bond paper. Ayan. Nag-fix na siya sa room niya. Oh. Ayan. Medyo malinis na. Itong batang to, she's very clean, girl. Maasahan sa living mo. Very clean. Na-fix na yung at least, ayan, in-erase na yung drawing niya. So, yan. That's my girl. Sana may your craft. Where did you put your craft that you make? Where was that?
Make your own craft.
Where did you put?
Thank you.
Where is the one you craft? Where? This one? Oh wow, that one. You done?
Playhouse.
Wow, nice.
Playhouse series.
Yeah. Playhouse series. Wow, very good. Very good. Great job, Celestia. Great. Celestia, great job. Oh, she can spell already, guys. She can read, she can spell. Playhouse. See? Ayan, playhouse. She can spell already. This girl can spell already. She's 8 years old. Very good. Very good.
Playhouse toy. Playhouse toy.
No space? The toys on house, no space? You need to put a space. Space for the toys and space for the house. Play. Then.
Playhouse.
Okay, the playhouse. But the toys is, you need a space. One space.
Playhouse.
Okay. My Celestia, look at, she cut, guys. Oh.
Open the door.
She pays and then she cut it. Individual. Look at. She make. This is her. What she doing?
Open the door.
She make a craft. You're making a craft? Open the door. Oh, she making a book story, guys. Open the door down. She have a door. Put a door square. Oh, oblong. Oblong.
Cut.
Okay. That's the way Celestia's doing crafting. And now she's no longer making a molding. This clay. Ito na naman. This is naman ang ano niya. Ability is doing. Ayan, cool, oh. Ayan, it's very cool. Ayan, guys. Look at. Artist talaga siya, oh. Yan, no? Galing.
Artist.
Kagabi na wala na, oh. In-erase na niya. Artist, my little girl, Celestia. Good job, Celestia. You're artist. You're good artist. You're good artist. You're artist. Yan, mayroon pa siyang tape. Paper tape. Ginagawa ng ano. Ayan. Open it. Open all your kanbi.
Open the door.
Pad B. Open your pad all. Where you put that? You put here? Here? We are here. No, here. Not enough. Not enough. I will buy for you a long bond paper. Ito ang so gifted ko. Thanks God, kahit ganyan siya. Not totally severe. She was smart. Marunong. Yan. Gawa siya ng own book.
Don't open the door to show.
You make your own book? Be? You make your own book. Cartoons? Animations? Ay, tanggap na ito sa ano, maging artist.
Open! Open.
Wait, which one? Look at my girl. Oh, she made a cup again. She said there's a garden. This is a grass bin. She wants to play the Power Pop Girder. She have a paper doll. Oh, Pop Girl will play that. She made it. Huh? Power Pop Girl. Oh, she's cooking now. She fried the hot dog. Wow. Fried the hot dog, Celestia. Okay.